My friends, my family, we will not be playing any games today. We shall all eat today.
We have returned.
Oh, well, celebrities are gonna
Back.
Alright, so that definitely was not the place.
Yeah, well, at least we know which one is the place.
Uncomfortable spot I've been in a car. I forgot we banged this guy.
You're a gamer,
Let's
you're
see these
homeless.
people.
Really?
Well, I'm just kind of
That's
gumball.
amazing.
That's why I don't have my headset on.
Thank you.
Hey, idiots.
Hey, what's up, guys?
Hi.
Hi.
Safely.
I'm chilling with my homeboy Pac-Man.
I'm kind of stuck in this.
Pac-Man?
Hey! I'm like,
Do you need
Help me.
I met him in the giant time skip between me and you meeting.
What is that
So-
thing?
Yes?
Oh, well, I just found the mimic.
yes, help me out of this.
We found this guy.
Yeah, it was difficult to put the pieces
Oh, you
together,
met
but we did find
Ultron?
him.
The Ultron?
Oh,
There's like 30
sorry, I
movies
thought you were
about him.
gonna-
Ultron's been here.
About-
Scream and all of their ghosts get eaten.
I don't
have
know.
one movie about me, and the movie was mid.
I was
Oh.
decent.
How are
It
you
was
saying
good.
the movie? Your own movie is mid?
What happened to
That was pretty
Infinity
good. I
Ultron?
liked it.
Hmm?
Age of Ultron was alright. Wasn't the best.
He said Infinity Ultron.
Here.
Yeah.
Alright, whatever. This is
Take
not
the-
important.
Take the massage
I think
boys.
you're the
I was-
model
I
from
was in,
Marvel
like-
vs. Capcom. I
I
like
was
that
in
game.
like 5 movies.
Specifically,
that
I do
that
love
are
that
mid.
game. I do love that game.
All right, I gotta go.
You became
I got
Ultron
bigger
Sigma
ghosts
in
to
that
eat.
story.
Okay.
Pac-Man.
That was really
Bye,
weird.
Pac-
We
Man.
Waka
are
waka.
going
The pack is back.
to prison
What?
There's one more
Why?
place.
because
What? No, I'm not-
we're not going to
no.
prison. We're
There's one more place.
going to
No,
prison.
we're
We're gonna be
free.
visitors. Whenever we get there,
Oh, okay.
everyone is gonna have a name, like a alter ego. They're not even gonna know it's us. It's
I
gonna be
could be
crazy.
Garfield Gamer. I can even switch
Garfield
my...
player.
What the fuck is that?
What's up, Sleepy Time? Oh, he's gone.
What?
Hold
Okay.
on, let me get some paint so I can paint my skin.
Yes, you go do
Oh,
that. We
my
will.
name
I
will
need
be,
to put a disguise on
I'll be
to go in.
Yes, everyone's gonna. You at least try your best. I
I
can't
have
do anything.
The perfect disguise. I'm gonna
I can
morph
just
my
walk
body in the
in.
bathroom.
Why not just put a
I'm
top hat
Garfield
on?
Player 67.
I see.
I'm
Uh,
already
I don't
wearing
think,
a
Carl
uniform
Weezer has
and
no
makeup.
idea who you are, so you're actually
Okay,
genuinely just.
they will not recognize me.
Where's the security room? There's someone in here. Hey, you. What's this place? Oh, hey, Lou. Doing a dance here. For my TikTok. Nice coffee you got. Mind if I have a sip?
It's empty.
Why?
I don't know, because I fucking drank it.
Whatever you do, no. Pay attention to me. Pay attention to me. Just don't look over there, right?
There's like a spider on the wall.
No. Hey.
Like, I kind of want to
Hey.
the spider.
No.
It's just. Can I go back to doing my dances now?
Yeah, just go back to doing your dances.
Can you not stare?
Is there anything else? Dude, there's nothing in here. That's a load of bananas, bro. You're like, your office actually has nothing in it.
Well.
Carl?
An old friend decided to come
I
back
wasn't
and visit.
visiting, actually. More like, I came back for the job, you know? I'm back. What's up? How you doing? How you doing?
Oh, I know you're not here for the job.
What do you mean?
I know about your little posse.
What are you talking about? I'm here. Hey, Carl. Not Carl. Hey, Burger King. What's up?
Ultron, don't give me your crap! I've spent 2 years perfecting a team to finally get the power and recognition I deserve. And you had everything you could have ever needed. You had a freaking
You hired
movie.
a green alien.
Shut
You
up.
hired a.
You're in video games. You're in movies. You have
One movie.
everything. I'm sorry it was bad, but like, you're in games. You are one of the most powerful fictional characters in Marvel Universe because of a what if. All because of all the influence I had. 2 years. And you betrayed me. You left me. Put that coffee down.
You know, it's actually pretty hot. You know. You. Did you just evaporate it off of you?
Do you think that's supposed to hurt me? Do you know what I am? You know, out of everybody in this whole world, you should know what I've done to my body to make me this powerful. If you... Oh! What the hell was that?
Fuck. I kind of expected this to work a
You
tad
better
differently.
run right now!
Just crack.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
You. Is that one of your little friends? Come on! Throw your best punch! Throw it! Throw it! I thought I trained you better, Adrian. Tisk, tisk, tisk. The same story repeats to everybody who's tried to stop me.
And they will. They will.
Oh, I believe you. They'll stop something. Just not me. 2 years I've spent perfecting this after I was summoned in that damn office building.
Pokemon card.
Yep. That exact thing. Time after time, you failed to contain the one thing that has a chance at defeating me. Peepaw Willie. I gave you attempt after attempt. I rebuilt you from the ground up, more powerful than ever. And what have you done? You've disappointed me every time. You've just fell back down, and that make me turn you back into some more powerful thing just to get shit on again. I'm tired of giving you second chances, Ultron. And this time,
didn't. You really didn't get Jimmy's mom,
Shut up!
did you?
it was never about Jimmy's mom. It was about feeling wanted. When I was that little boy, I wanted to feel wanted. But guess what? Everybody neglected me. Treated me as a putrid piece of shit. And now I'm sitting here looking over every single little pawn who has treated me as crap. I feel good, Ultron. I feel better than what Jimmy's mom could have ever made me feel like in my whole life. So you, I've had
You
enough
are a
of you.
little boy. You are the little boy, aren't you?
And how does it feel getting your ass handed to you for 2 years by a little fat asthmatic boy? I've had enough of you, Ultron.
It feels great
I've
knowing
had
you can
enough.
die here. Ah,
Don't worry, Ultron. I'll give you a souvenir for your friends to see. But your reign is over. No second chances. Like all the other ants under my shoes, they fall under the same fate you do if they try to oppose me. I've had enough of people like you. I'm cutting them out. Because this day is the day I reign supreme.
What does that stand for?
Goodbye, you old piece of shit. I've always hated you.
We'll get you out. You hear me?
He seems very unresponsive.
He's a really bad
Is he
chef.
okay?
More recently, he's
He
been
is?
he's been dealing with trauma.
Oh.
He slightly burnt Thanksgiving turkey last year.
Wish we could get him a sponsorship deal with BetterHelp. I heard they're pretty good.
guys, I think I found a way out.
Oh.
Hey!
Get back in your
Oh no.
Well.
Oh,
Look who the cat dragged in.
wait, you're Carl? You're so small. Look at this guy.
He's like a
Don't you be
teenager.
disrespecting my friend like that.
You don't disrespect me. I've had enough of
Disrespect
disrespect.
him, you disrespect me too.
Yeah.
I thought
What are you doing here?
we were chill. You like what? The country. And
Wow.
I supported your country.
The country's
he's my
gone.
associate.
You better secede from NATO now.
What do you mean the country's gone? You still run that?
So about that. You know, the Russian government, they,
Damn it! What
He's gonna
put
start
their hands
yapping.
on a
I
bomb.
think we could probably.
Oh no.
hey.
You two need to. I don't know. I hate you
Why?
because you and you kind of have ruined everything I've been working up for.
What are you
We kinda,
talking
like,
about?
kidnapped everyone. I don't.
You know
really
how long
what
I've been
stuff is.
trying to trap you, to take you?
You made a really bad business,
Sorry?
and that's all I know about you.
Really bad business. Well, that really bad business turned me into a
this is
god.
great.
What are you talking about?
I could go like Super Saiyan stuff.
What?
Really? That's pretty cool.
No, not really. But I destroyed Ultron, by the way. Yeah.
Show
yeah,
what
I
you
killed
can
your
do, Carl.
Yeah,
your
I
little
bet you
friend.
did, bro. I bet you did, little
Your
pipsqueak.
friend.
2'3". 2'3".
You want me to
Hey,
show you
don't
his damn
antagonize him,
cards?
people. Yeah.
We're not fighting in here. Look around
Oh.
you.
Oh, yeah.
There is no
It's kinda
space.
like a very enclosed.
You're right. Hey, meet me at the perfect place. You know where it is. We're gonna settle this finally. Mr.
Okay.
Understand? Come
Yeah.
with me. We're gonna get you a new country.
Got you.
That was a really bad voice crack. Holy shit.
Shut up, Daddy!
Oh, wait.
Holy shit.
Okay, so like, what was that?
I teach.
I don't know. That was really weird.
From life-threatening threats.
Is that Baldy?
Oh,
Well,
Hold
they
on.
were just. I told them to stand out there.
for that.
Oh.
Hey,
I
did you guys see
forgot.
Carl Weezer come through here with a penguin?
No.
What?
No,
This is the door he
actually,
came
we
through.
didn't.
What? Does he have like
Well, we
time
didn't see
manipulation
anything.
powers?
He
No,
walked
we've
through
just been
here
sitting
with
here.
the penguin and went
Well,
that way.
he is a powerful person. Maybe he could have done that.
Okay, let's.
Who knows?
He said,
but
"I
if
know where
came
to
out
go,"
Here, we
but
would have
I-
shot him.
I actually don't know where to go to
Well,
fight him.
he
I'm
would've.
just
I
gonna
don't
walk around until I find
have any.
a battlefield.
Oh, okay.
Okay, that's definitely not the right room. So this is it, the big final battle against Carl.
Yeah.
I don't know who this Carl guy is, but he
Carl
seems
Weezer,
bad.
he's like
big
I don't know who
an
any of you
ancient
are, to be
deity or
honest.
something like that. I can't really remember what he
Oh.
is.
Wait, I forgot. He's the one who put me in that prison.
Yes.
Yeah, he imprisoned all of his friends.
But this
Except
is
you
my
guys,
first
because
time
you guys are my
meeting
new
all
friends.
of you.
Yeah. You know, I might have just
Except
met you
him.
guys, but I will say I've learned to cherish you guys as friends, especially you because you let me live in your basement rent free, and that was kind of cool.
Yeah.
Um,
we went to
You gave
Wendy's
me
one
free
time.
food, and
No,
I
I
really
didn't.
bonded with you. Much,
I did not give
but-
you free food. You
I
just
know.
refused to
okay,
pay.
well,
Moral
yeah,
support.
no, I stole food. But that's unimportant. So whatever happens in that fight, I just want you to know you're my deepest friends.
Well, guys, let's go find this big arena or whatever he said it was. Okay.
Wow.
We're supposed to fight that kid?
There he is.
Yeah.
He looks like an obese child.
2'4".
Oh.
You came here to fight me, didn't you?
You told us to come fight you.
Well, you came here, didn't you?
Yeah.
Because you told
we
us to.
Yeah, we're also kind of lost.
Yeah, well, you came here, didn't you?
Yes, we did.
I guess.
2 years I spent trying to defeat all of you. And finally, I have you all here at my feet. I've had enough of your antics trying to destroy what I tried to create. You took Ultron from me? Took everything. I destroyed Ultron. His dead corpse is back there, withering away and rusting. I've had enough. So now, I have achieved my full power. Final
What?
form activate!
What the fuck?
That's my boss
you
from the
come
gas
from it?
station.
What?
No, what?
What? You were at the gas station.
Oh my! You know, I'm not gonna deal with this. I'm just gonna kill you.
Whoa. God.
No, come on. You first.
No.
Gumball!
Oh, my.
Hey! That's it.
I'm so
I've
sick
spent
of
my
this.
life defending this old man. I won't let you hurt him.
Who's chewing
Yeah,
from
I'm
up there?
surprised. You make a really good body shield.
I've had enough of you guys. I'm on your side, boss.
Oh, he stopped.
Come on!
I'm gonna go
Whoa, shit, don't do anything!
Hold,
What do you
going
want us to do?
upstairs.
Run at him and do this!
That's it.
Boom!
Let's go.
Well, that was actually, I wasn't expecting to do that much damage. Yo! He's, where, they just ran away! I'm rolling away.
Come here!
No, I won't come there!
No, stop! Come here, God!
No.
You're using. Hold on.
What?
God, are you using a fucking spoon?
Yes, it's very powerful. Oh, wait. But stop that! Squidward! Oh my gosh.
That much.
Yeah, you're all alone now. What now? Yeah. There's no way that worked. Are you
I know it
kidding
must
me?
be done. I have to take my pill.
Oh my God, you just got uglier.
I know.
Yeah,
I can do less like this, but I can like.
you can walk. That's a good thing.
We're
That doesn't
fine.
even go. Ow!
I know I'm like supposed to be a robot and stuff, and the electricity is supposed to like. But like,
I don't care then.
you know what? I'm
How
about,
did you-
whoa. I'm about to change it. Ooh. I'm about to change the station on your TV.
Okay, what's going on? I'm sorry.
What happened?
Ow!
Oh, hey, what's up, guys? Could you, Oh, look.
Snow! TV snow!
Oh, you're still. Oh,
Really? I can still see. Whoa, I can't see, but I'm here. That should just kill me. Oh, come here. If I can move.
Hey! What the heck? Who are you? What? All right, that's it.
No.
You guys gonna help me or just stand there?
He has an effect on me.
Stab him with the forks.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Like a sweeping attack. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna sweep the floor with you. Oh. Okay, turns out you're like. I kind of forgot that you were the same guy as Carl. Forgot that you were like an all-powerful being.
You good, man?
So,
Yeah.
yeah. Are you gonna kill me?
Yeah.
Oh, where'd it go?
I might. I think I will.
Oh,
Come here.
so I don't really know what to do anymore. I know you're supposed to be like the big bad.
Your friends aren't helping for shit.
What is that in your hand?
They do kind of suck.
Yeah.
I kind of die because I can't get near him. I can't die.
You could kill them instead.
Sword! Mimic!
So like, what are you doing to the mimic? How'd you do that?
He's a robot. I tase him. I thought that was kind of self-explanatory.
Oh, check out my previously established anti-zap spray. Ooh.
It's a thing.
Yes. Anything's possible.
Yeah, that's cool enough.
What? No.
Come on, put your
Mimic, you help me, Pop. I'll be back.
put your dukes up.
What happens if I
do it to you.
That's like glass, right? Just gotta make sure.
Yeah, it's a TV. Why?
There's two of them.
Come here. No.
They're replicating. What the heck are you? No! Leave me alone.
Yeah.
What are those things?
Mine. Oh, there. Get it.
What do they do?
They stabbed you.
Oh. I'm tired of having witty banter with my arch nemesis. Ooh,
Oh,
fight. Fight for real. Where's Baldy when you need him? How do you do this kind of stuff? What the? Hey! Ooh.
Yeah, get them, minion. I don't know what they are.
Hello.
Is it a bomb? No.
What is happening? Who are you? And what's your flag saying?
So we're not gonna do that.
Number 1, Mr. Puzzles. Yeah, I'm punching you. What? Stop him. What?
Your friend seems to be kind of in a predicament.
Yeah, I honestly feel like this fight's not really gonna end. We're like both pretty evenly matched.
Yeah, probably.
I don't know, unless one of us has like a cool like power that like turns everyone to a show or something.
Come help me kill this guy!
Why did you just give him the idea, Peepaw?
What?
You just gave him the idea to do what you just
Oh,
said.
like he can actually do it. Look at him. Oh,
Peepaw.
Mimic.
Say I
sorry.
won't. Say I won't.
I forgive you.
I'm so sorry, Mimic. Ooh.
I won't do it, pussy.
I can kill the guy. Oh. What we're talking about? What are we talking about?
Hey, your little your thing didn't really work. We're kind of here still.
Oh.
Yeah, no, it didn't really do anything.
I I'm going to turn you all into a shitty cartoon that I can make profit off of.
What?
Ah!
What?
Yeah.
That.
That was it? I thought there was like a little bit more. Like
No.
like the prison was gonna like explode.
Yeah,
or
no.
something. We were all
Insert-
gonna
Yeah, no, I was expecting a little bit more.
dimension. You might be doing that a little bit too much.
No, I think I said word.
Have you tried doing it light instead of really hard?
You're right. Thank you.
Wait, let me try. Can I pick this up?
Yeah.
Here, I'll just. It's not working.
What if we get like a TV remote?
Good idea.
Yeah.
Here,
I
wait.
have one of those, do you?
No,
Thank
Try
you.
this. That's good enough.
Here,
Wait, no, try it one more time.
do that.
Nothing happened. No, try doing the thing.
Try this.
Stop it.
Ah!
Yeah.
I'm sorry.
Yeah, me too. She got some better electronics.
Hello. Hey,
Oh,
You need help?
you know you're not allowed in here after last time.
yeah, he's my relative. I guess he followed me.
I know your secret, Mimic.
Just go away.
you don't.
Now
We kinda-
tell you to ruin! Oh no!
Go. Now, as you may be able to see above my head, I've been planning for this moment. I am not Pog.
How do I do that?
What are you doing? Oh shit!
What the fuck are you doing?
Oh, I'm out here. Hold on, I'll fix it. Oh my god!
I think I had this Lego when I was young.
Yo, bro, the thing about you is frying me, bro.
It's me, Gatorman. Final form.
You should have used this one in Data Plot. This is Gator Man.
Gator Man! You are not Gator Man.
Why do your arms move like that? It's like I'm writing.
What's up? It is me, Gator Man.
It's not Killer Croc should have looked in Lego Batman.
Wait!
It's been so long. What?
Logan, can you hear us? Oh, there he is. Let's see
Yeah.
him. Remember to kill Nada.
Yeah, during the fight.
you, bro.
So,
I'm gonna make you a bar.
He's like, I've been waiting for this moment.
No,
That's perfect.
how about this? Puzzles is like gonna do like a lethal blow on Peepaw, and I'm gonna body block.
No,
No,
I'm
you have
cutting
an
you into
idea?
little pieces. I'm cutting you into little pieces, boy.
He's gonna saw you in half. All
Got
right,
it. All right.
let's go back
All
over.
I was feeling a bit and as you can see here, I decided to compromise myself a jollof rice tower. On the left hand side here, we have 2 pieces of toast with biscuit spread on the side, and on the other side, identical. We have 2 pieces of toast with biscuit spread all over it. And on top of the jollof rice, we have 2 baguettes of Indomie, and on top of that, we have 3 eggs. And just to be a bit healthier, I decided to compromise myself a bit of salad. And for the bowl, we have 7 wings. 7! And to wash it all down, it's going to appear right here. Just wait, just wait. We'll be drinking no liquids. With all of this on this, we do not need any liquids. Do you understand me? Oh my God! Do not be misled. Do not be deceived. Come and eat with me. We shall bow today.
That's like the average Gumbo gamer breakfast right there.
That's gonna be like random cutaways. It's gonna have freaking
Yeah,
Venom
yeah.
doing that, and then the
I'll
outro is
cut
gonna
the
be.
TikTok thing out. I'll make sure I cut the TikTok thing out. We should go to like a specific like cooking road and just have Venom explain his meal.
We're gonna make that a YouTube short, bro. Where he's freaking on the side. 3
It's like a ready wafers pose.
3 eggs and wash it all down. Right here. We will be drinking no liquids.
We don't need to water it down.
I don't have a proper people on vlogs like this.
Not yet, at least. Mr. Puzzles is probably gonna be your dude till he dies.
And who
At
are
the end of
you
Puzzle Arc.
to challenge the way? Only a fool who tries
Hey!
to stop the rain. The king of chaos.
This is
The
my
king of
prison.
pain has answered the
You hear me?
call.
This is Burger King's
Who
lair.
are you to challenge
Yeah.
the night?
I'm just
We're
checking
recording
people into the gun range.
Fool who
In the
thinks they're in the right. You lost before. You
Wait,
will
wait.
decide. Now let the shadows.
Just wait till I come out there.
Now let the shadows.
Oh,
Now let the
let the
shadows.
shadow fall.
You were still gonna be chasing me when I turned around. I just see
Fix
you
it,
like
it's perfect.
you're not
The
dude.
audio's perfect.
I think the funniest part about like you being in a wheelchair is that you never do this. You never like do the thing
I only
that
do that.
people in
That's like
wheelchairs
my
do.
running. Is I do this. What do you guys think? I spent real money on this freaking hat.
I won't break. You did, yo.
Well, I spent it to get my freaking joint effect because it was cool, and then I had someone tell her about the hat. Freaking Venom. Venom, why did you just?
Hey, very sorry, Mr. Wolfman.
Are we ready now? Do we? Oh, yeah, yeah.
Peepaw
you said
X
before
Venom.
then.
We still have Freddy. We still need Freddy to get
Have
back.
you not seen that clip?
Yeah,
I'm
Freddy's taking
very
forever.
sorry, Mr. Wolfman, but you do not have to start today.
Well, you know, Freedy needs to be freaking Carl Weezer. Or like how Hamclash says Carl Weezer. And then, does anyone have the Mr. Puzzles avatar that we're gonna use, or do you have one for your? Do you have one yourself?
Ham Clutch had, but
Okay. You go explain to Logan what's about to happen.
okay.
And then you guys actually come with me. We're gonna go up here for a little bit. Freedy, whenever you're done explaining, just stand where you stood last time. Whenever you were fighting Ultron,
Alright.
or like be tough.
Now
by one
let
of
the
freaking targets.
shadows. Now watch as it grows.
All right, we need to
Now
find
let
where we
the
came from so we can walk over here.
Now Don't let the shadow fall.
Matter of fact, let's do this. So, I have no idea where we're supposed to go. Carl Weezer was like, "Oh, you know where to go." I don't know where to go.
Well, it's just a battle arena, right? So somewhere big and spacious.
Like this?
Oh, cafeteria? Huh.
Wait, I have an idea.
I don't see Carl
Oh
Weezer.
no, I'm like,
Hold on.
I'm
Out of
physically
character.
repelled. I can't go in there.
Out of character, I had an idea. What if I like real quick,
It's
like
a force
leave,
field.
quote unquote, to go do something,
Come
quote
on,
unquote, and
let's
then like
try.
fucking like Burger King
No,
shows up.
no,
It's like,
I-
oh yeah,
I
they're
will
in there.
bounce back and I will knock you down.
I mean, if you want. I know. No, Gumball!
I can't go into
Never
gyms.
mind. I
I'm
don't have
physically
the avatar.
repelled.
Oh,
Don't worry, Mimic.
it's nice.
This is crazy. This is the
Not
first time
great.
we've had a definite squad in Peepaw vlogs. The
Oh yeah.
closest we've had is freaking Mr. Bones, Peepaw, and Ultron. But
I like this
Mr.
squad.
Bones is
These are my
gone and
friends
Ultron
and
just died.
family.
You're about to die.
I love all of you.
You're literally about to die.
I love all of you.
Wait, do you like a super emotional speech? Because like one of us,
I
we're-
just met you.
we
Oh,
feel like
really?
we know that someone here is gonna die. So Gumball's like,
Well, we have to segue into that. I can't just be like, guys.
yeah, let's have a conversation. Then you segue into it.
So whatever happens in that fight, I just want you to know, you're my deepest friends.
Can we cut to him dying? Like at the end of the video, like at the end of the video in the bloopers, like at the end of the video, you
I've spent way too long trying to defeat you guys because you guys are the only people that has been trying to stop me from doing this.
Are you
That's so
okay?
funny,
Do you
Carl.
need like a tissue or?
It's funny because
the little kid is
it's
crying.
so long. I'm not laughing. Oh, wait, I am laughing. I'm laughing.
Okay.
That's why I'm laughing.
I don't get it. Why is it funny?
I'm laughing because I sound like
I'm like, why are you laughing, Carl? He's like, I'm not. I'm crying. I mean, I'm laughing. All right, yo, I heard him start chuckling. I was like, "What's so funny, bro?" We do look pretty stupid. All right, let's go.
Okay.
Well, it's been 2 years, and you guys have kept trying to defeat me, and over again. But finally, I have you on.
Can we get this out of our system, bro? Every time. What is making you laugh so hard?
I sound like Mickey Mouse, bro.
Oh, you're laughing at yourself.
I ran away so I wouldn't be heard.
Just if you're gonna laugh, just mute, okay?
Everyone just mute. Everyone just fucking mute.
Yeah, everyone except me because they're gonna hear me anyway. So okay. 3, 2, 1.
This is a locker.
Oh, it's you, Mr. Penguin.
Can we just skip to the battlefield for time's sake?
Wait, but I want to fight Mr. Agustin. Okay, come on.
Wait, can he fight me?
Wait.
No, we don't have enough time.
Just stay in this room.
He's standing with this dude's like,
Time, bro.
We have time.